Hey guys, we're making a cheese board today. We're going to start by making a roasted red pepper chimichurri. So we're going to mince a roasted red pepper. You can buy that at the store or roast your own. Garlic, shallot, cilantro, parsley, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. Now we're going to make an apple butter. I'm going to start by peeling our apples. We're chopping up 4 apples here. Put them in your pot of choice. We're adding 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, fresh grated nutmeg, pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cups of water, and now we're just going to let it simmer for a while. Once it starts to look syrupy, we can transfer it to our food processor. Now we're just going to add 8 tablespoons of butter and blend it till it's smooth. And that's it for the apple butter. We're just going to put that in the refrigerator and let it cool. Now on to our strawberry jam. We're cutting up 12 ounces of strawberries. Transfer that to your pot. We're adding a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, a squeeze of lemon juice, and we're going to let that simmer and reduce for a while. After it's been cooking for a little while, I'll break up the strawberries with a little whisk. Now we're looking good, and we're going to throw it in the refrigerator to let it cool. Now we're on to our sweet potato crisps. We're just going to peel this sweet potato into little ribbons. There we go. And we're going to deep fry these at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius until crisp. Give them a stir every once in a while to ensure even cooking. And we're done. Just a little salt and pepper. Here we're making a couple fruit garnishes. This is apple garnish that we're going to use. Just slice it thin and then twirl it in your hand. And there you go. Now we're just going to do the same thing with a pear. There you go. Now the fun part, building the board. Here's our apple butter. Roasted red pepper chimichurri. Strawberry jam. This here is burrata cheese. Blue cheese. And some sliced brie. Some toasted fruits. Our sweet potato crisps. Apple garnish. pear garnish, some cherry tomatoes, sliced radish, parsley, and finish with a drizzle of balsamic glaze. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.